Hey everyone, welcome back to the heart of the home, your kitchen. Today, I want to share something that can truly elevate your cooking, no matter your skill level or favorite cuisine. We're diving into a kitchen essential that's been cherished for centuries: olive oil. This isn't just a pantry staple, it's a game changer that can transform every meal from ordinary to unforgettable. Olive oil is often called liquid gold for a reason. It's not just any cooking oil. It's the secret ingredient that brings out the best in your food, making even the simplest dishes taste extraordinary. Imagine that golden green drizzle over warm, crusty bread, or the satisfying sizzle as it hits a hot pan before you toss in fragrant garlic and onions. It's pure magic for your senses. Olive oil is so much more than just a source of fat. It's flavor, history, and sunshine, all bottled up. Each drop carries the essence of sun-ripened olives and centuries of tradition. It's a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, which is celebrated around the world for its delicious flavors and incredible health benefits. People in Mediterranean countries have used olive oil for generations, not just for taste, but for well-being. With olive oil, you never have to choose between delicious and nutritious. It's packed with heart-healthy fats and antioxidants, making it a smart choice for your body and your taste buds. Just a simple swap, using olive oil instead of other fats, can make your meals sing with flavor and leave you feeling good about what you're eating. It's a small change with a big impact. The possibilities are endless. Use it for sautéing vegetables, whisking up salad dressings, marinating meats, or simply as a finishing touch over roasted veggies or fresh salads. Olive oil adapts to every dish and every occasion. Every bottle of olive oil connects you to a rich tradition of fresh, vibrant cooking. It's a link to sun-soaked groves and family tables across the world. The aroma alone can transport you to a sun-drenched olive grove, where the air is filled with the scent of ripe olives and fresh herbs. It's an experience that starts before you even take your first bite. Olive oil is one of the easiest ways to make your meals healthier without ever sacrificing flavor. It's a simple ingredient that brings out the best in everything it touches. It's a win-win for your kitchen and your well-being. Whether you're cooking for yourself or sharing a meal with loved ones, olive oil helps you create food that's both nourishing and delicious. So today, let's explore why this golden elixir deserves a permanent spot on your counter. We'll look at how to use it, what makes it special, and how to choose the best bottle for your needs. From its amazing health benefits to tips on picking the perfect bottle, we're covering it all. Get ready to unlock the full potential of your kitchen with olive oil. Let's get cooking. So, what makes olive oil so good for us? It's all about what's inside. Olive oil is made from pressed olives, just one simple ingredient packed with nutrients. The star is monounsaturated fat, especially oleic acid, which makes up most of the oil. These are the good fats your body needs for energy, heart, and brain health. Olive oil is also loaded with antioxidants, especially polyphenols, which protect your cells. That peppery kick in fresh extra virgin olive oil, that's the polyphenols at work. Plus, it contains vitamin E and vitamin K for cell protection and strong bones. Every drizzle delivers flavor and a powerful package of nutrients. It's not just empty calories, it's real nourishment. How cool is that? Let's talk about those good fats. Monounsaturated fats in olive oil are true health heroes. Unlike saturated and trans fats, these support your body, not harm it. They help manage cholesterol, lowering the bad, LDL, and raising the good, HDL. Think of them as a cleanup crew for your arteries, keeping your heart healthy. That's why the Mediterranean diet is so heart-friendly. Swapping butter or margarine for olive oil is an easy, delicious upgrade. Don't fear the fat. A drizzle of olive oil is a smart, healthy choice. Not all fats are equal, and olive oil is one of the best. It's a simple way to invest in your long-term health. Now let's spotlight olive oil's antioxidants, your body's defense squad. These compounds, especially polyphenols like oleocanthal, fight oxidative stress and inflammation. That peppery sensation in good olive oil? It's a sign of powerful natural anti-inflammatories. Antioxidants help protect your heart, brain, and cells from damage. They may even lower the risk of chronic diseases and support brain health as you age. The fresher and higher quality the oil, the more antioxidants it contains. Store it in a cool, dark place to keep those benefits strong. With every pour, you're boosting your body's natural defenses. If your heart could talk, it would thank you for using olive oil. Olive oil helps lower bad cholesterol and raise good cholesterol, keeping your arteries clear. It also helps lower blood pressure by relaxing blood vessel walls. Studies show regular olive oil use can even reduce the need for blood pressure meds. Its antioxidants fight inflammation and protect cholesterol from oxidation, a key step in heart disease. By preventing sticky cholesterol buildup, olive oil keeps your arteries healthy. It's a full-service protection plan for your heart. Simple swaps, like using olive oil daily, can have a powerful impact. It's one of the tastiest ways to care for your cardiovascular system. Your heart will love you for it, all in one delicious package. Inflammation can be good or bad. Olive oil helps fight the bad kind. Chronic low-grade inflammation is linked to heart disease, diabetes, arthritis, and even cancer. Olive oil's star antioxidant, oleocanthal, works like a natural anti-inflammatory. Consistently including olive oil in your diet helps shift your body toward a healthier state. It can ease joint pain and stiffness, especially in arthritis. The combination of polyphenols and healthy fats calms inflammation and lubricates your system. Reducing inflammation may also lower cancer risk by making your body less hospitable to disease. Research is ongoing, but the benefits are promising. Every drizzle helps build a more resilient, comfortable body. It's a simple, powerful way to support long-term health. Now for the fun part, eating. Olive oil is easy to use every day. Make a quick salad dressing with olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Dip crusty bread in extra virgin olive oil with herbs for a simple snack. Drizzle it over cooked fish, steak, or soup for a burst of flavor. Roast vegetables with olive oil for crispy, caramelized goodness. Sauté garlic and onions in olive oil as a base for sauces and stews. Use it in marinades or even in baking for moist cakes and muffins. Keep a bottle handy and make it a daily habit. It's the easiest, tastiest upgrade for your kitchen. The oil aisle can be overwhelming, with so many bottles and labels to choose from, but picking the right olive oil doesn't have to be complicated. With a few simple tips, you can confidently select the perfect bottle for your kitchen and your taste buds. Extra virgin olive oil, or EVU, is the gold standard. It's made from the first cold pressing of olives, without any heat or chemicals, which means it keeps the purest olive flavor and the most nutrients. EVU is rich in antioxidants and healthy fats, making it both delicious and good for you. Use EVU for salad dressings, drizzling over grilled vegetables, dipping fresh bread, or finishing your favorite dishes. Its bold, fruity taste shines when used raw or added at the end of cooking. Virgin olive oil is a step below EVU in quality, but it's still made naturally, without refining. It has a milder flavor and is great for sautéing or gentle cooking where you want a lighter olive taste. Pure or light olive oil is more processed and refined, which strips away some of the flavor and nutrients. These oils are best for high-heat cooking, like frying or roasting, where a neutral taste is preferred and the oil needs to withstand higher temperatures. No matter which type you choose, always look for olive oil in a dark glass bottle or a metal tin. These containers protect the oil from light, which can cause it to spoil or lose its flavor more quickly. Check the label for a harvest date or a best-by date. Freshness matters. A good olive oil should be used within 18 months of harvest for the best taste and health benefits. Older oil can taste dull and lose its nutritional value. Don't forget to trust your own taste. High-quality EVU should taste fresh, vibrant, and fruity, with a hint of bitterness and a peppery finish that tingles the back of your throat. This peppery kick is a sign of healthy antioxidants. If your olive oil tastes flat, greasy, or has no aroma, it's likely past its prime or not of good quality. Don't settle for less. Your food deserves better. Investing in a high-quality bottle of olive oil pays off in both flavor and health. It can elevate simple meals and provide important nutrients your body needs. A good olive oil is a staple of the Mediterranean diet, known for supporting heart health and adding joy to everyday cooking. It's a small upgrade that makes a big difference for your kitchen and your well-being. So choose wisely, savor the flavors, and enjoy every golden drop in your meals. Olive oil is more than just a cooking ingredient. It's a bottle of health, flavor, and centuries-old tradition. For generations, families across the Mediterranean have relied on olive oil not only to enhance their meals, but also to support their well-being. Its golden hue and rich aroma are a staple at every table, symbolizing both nourishment and togetherness. The secret lies in its monounsaturated fats, which help keep your heart and arteries happy by lowering bad cholesterol and supporting healthy blood flow. These healthy fats are a key reason why people in olive oil-rich regions often enjoy longer, healthier lives. But that's not all. Olive oil is packed with powerful antioxidants like oleocanthal and vitamin E. These natural compounds fight inflammation, protect your cells from damage, and may even help slow the aging process. Every drizzle is a boost for your immune system and your overall vitality. Making olive oil a daily habit is a simple, proactive step for better health. Just a spoonful a day can make a real difference, supporting your body from the inside out and adding a touch of luxury to your meals. You don't need to be a chef, just drizzle it on salads, roasted veggies, or fresh bread. Try it as a dip, a finishing touch, or even in your morning smoothie for a subtle, nutty flavor. For the best benefits, choose a quality extra virgin olive oil. Look for bottles with a harvest date and a rich greenish color. These are signs of freshness and high antioxidant content. Make it a pantry staple and invest in your well-being. Keeping a bottle within easy reach encourages you to use it often, making healthy choices second nature. Embrace the fruity, peppery taste and nourish your body with every drop. Savor the unique flavors that only high-quality olive oil can bring, and let your meals come alive with color and nutrition. It's a joyful, delicious change for your kitchen and your life. Sharing meals with loved ones, experimenting with new recipes, and enjoying the simple pleasure of good food all start with a drizzle. So grab that bottle of liquid gold and start drizzling your way to a healthier, happier you. One meal, one drop, and one day at a time.